Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a shopping haul video. I purchased a few accessories in the month of October from Meesho and Myntra, which I'm going to show you all. So this is going to be a small haul. I am nowhere intending to encourage you to shop. This is just in case if you're searching for anything similar, it could be helpful. The video could be helpful. Otherwise, watch it for fun. So let's get started. So the first one is these are the bracelets. Have you seen the Cartier bracelets? So these are the dupes from Meesho. So we'll start with the Meesho stuff, Meesho purchases, and this was a combo, a set of two. It came with this box. So these are the two bracelets. They have the lock system like the original ones, but this is different. The original one has a key, I believe, and okay, so this doesn't come with a key. They say it is anti-tarnish, but I don't know. I had to exchange this purchase because this bracelet was a bit big in size. This is what I got in return. The size is perfect. The finishing, the color is so good, and it has Swarovskis. This one has Swarovskis in between. Also, lock of this bracelet is a bit loose, but I didn't further go to exchange it because I didn't have the option. The only option was now to return it, but I thought, chalo, I'll keep it, and I hope it doesn't become more loose and it doesn't open by itself. So we'll see. And we'll also have to see about the anti-tarnish part because I've not started using this. So yeah, this is how it looks. So there's Cartier engraved on this, even though it is a dupe, and also on this, on the inside. Nice. So the next one is this. This is also a Cartier dupe, but this is in silver. And let me open this. This did not come with a box, so the box was a cardboard box. It has Swarovskis and again Cartier engraving inside. This one is a little bit smaller than the gold one, but still it fits me well. So this is how it looks. So I'm obsessed with silver jewelry these days, and I mostly wear silver. So I thought I should go for this one because I did not have any bracelet or anything to wear in silver. So I had to go for this one. So I have two more kadas to show you all. This also came in a cardboard box and a plastic. This is how the kada looks. It has these green stones to go with my Indian wear, and this is very lightweight. It is literally like a feather. Like those kadas, the Cartier ones they had some weight in them, but this is super lightweight. Let me give you all a closer look of this one. The last one is similar to the previous one, and this is how it looks. It has a red stone and some Swarovskis on top. So again, the fit is nice. Actually, this will fit any size, I believe, because you can stretch it and extend it. Again, lightweight, and the finishing is nice. The color is superb. When you want to look very simple and wear very minimal jewelry, that is when you could go for something like this. Okay, now bracelets are done. Let me show you all two more accessories I got from Meesho. First one is this necklace, which has such an amazing chain. This is a different kind of chain. It is thick. The color of this is so nice. This is also an anti-tarnish piece. The pendant is beautiful. You could adjust and wear it according to your preference. And this is how it looks. Love the pendant. It has a vintage look. You can make this longer, but you can't make it more shorter. So the other one is kind of similar to that one, the pendant especially. but it's still different. The chain is totally different. Like this one's super dainty, and the color is nice. Again, this gives a vintage vibe, and the pendant has a rose engraving on it. Also, the back of the pendant is different. It has a different kind of texture on it. The chain is small in size, but again you could adjust it. This is where it sits. Can't go shorter than this. Also, it has a dark gold, which I like. That is why it gives a vintage vibe. Okay, so now the Meesho purchases are done. Let me show you all what I got from Myntra. I got 2 watches, one for me and one for my mom. So let me show you all what I got for myself. Came in this box. It is from the brand Sonata, and this is how it came. So I got a silver one for me. It has a stainless steel strap and a rectangular dial. So I didn't have to shorten the strap because it fits me well. The fit is superb. I don't like those chunky watches, so this one was perfect, and it is water resistant to some extent. This is how it looks. Cute. Now this is the other watch that I got for my mom, and it came in this box, again from the brand Sonata. This is in the color gold, but super cute, and it kind of looks like a bracelet. In case if you have seen one of my vlogs where we were searching for watches for her, and I finally ended up buying it online. We had to cut the strap for her, like shorten it, because it was too loose for her, and I think our sizes are same. The size of our wrist is the same, so it looks nice. Again, water resistant to some extent, and it has a 1-year warranty. This also has kind of a chain detailing, half kada and half chain. I hope you had a nice time watching this video. If you did, please like this video and do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video super soon. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye. Take care.